Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ronnie.
All the best. And more
Good
blessings.
health and
Yes,
long
good
life.
health.
All the best. More travels. More unpack. More money.
Lahat-lahat na.
More money. Okay, bye-bye, Ronnie.
Ingat.
Bye-bye. Love
Happy
you all.
birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Ronnie.
Wish namin sa iyo good health at saka marami pang 50 years. No? At saka marami pang travel with the family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Asawa ni JJ.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ronnie.
Ronnie.
Oh. Kumusta
Happy
sa mga
birthday, Kuya
bata?
Ronnie. Yes.
Hi, Jay. Kumusta sa mga bata? Okay.
Ingat
bye.
po
Love
kayo
you,
dyan.
love you, love
God
you.
bless.
Happy birthday, Tito! Wishing you good health and happiness po. More birthday, more blessing to come po.
Happy birthday, Tito. Thank you for your always kind and supportive. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and more what's that? Trabaho work with your family. And thank you also for being there from your pamangkin, and for us, even we don't talk each other, we know and I know that you're still there always. I love you and take care always. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday dito, Ronnie. Salamat po sa lahat ng naitulong niyo simula ng baby ako, nung nag-elementary ako, nag-junior high ako, nag-senior high ako, hanggang sa ngayon college po. Salamat po kasi kayo yung one call away namin, Tito. Thank you po, Tito. And sana po mas maging healthy pa po kayo. More travels, more happy moments. Lahat na for your family. God bless, Tito. And we love you so much.
Happy birthday to you, anak. Sana nga wish ko, anak. Alam mo ng Diyos yung ano.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tito Ronnie.
Happy birthday! Move of life of my life.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Romy. Maraming salamat po sa laging pagtanggap sa akin sa bahay nyo at sa pagiging tito na laging handang makinig at magbigay ng gabay. Tunay po kayong inspirasyon sa pagiging madiskarte, makulit at maalalahanin. Naway patuloy kayong gabayan ng Diyos sa bawat araw at pagpalain po kayo at ang pamilya nyo. I truly wish you health, happiness, abundance, and blessing today and always. Happy birthday, Tito.
Idol Ronnie, happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Sana nandyan ako no, sa 50th birthday mo. Pero hayaan mo, next time pag nakauwi, celebrate natin. Wishing you all the best and sana always stay healthy and wag pabayaan magdasal sa Diyos, okay? Enjoy your birthday and miss ko na kayo dyan. Sana makauwi ako this year. Okay, ingat kayo lagi dyan. Happy 50th birthday, Ronnie. Idol, ingat.
Happy birthday, Golden Boy Romy, o mas kilalang Papa Osang sa 4x4 Off-Road Community. Ang wish ko sa iyo, happiness, good health, and prosperity. I love you, bro. Sana magustuhan mo yung regalo ko sa iyo.
Hi, 50th birthday, Ronnie. Romaydero, happy 50th birthday. So, CJ is here to greet you. Come on, anak.
Hi, happy birthday po. I hope you have a long, blessed life, and I hope to visit you soon in the Philippines. Happy birthday!
Oh, ito naman si Ate Kuya JC.
Hi, Tito Ronnie. Happy 50th birthday. Again, hope you live a long, blessed life. And when we go to the Philippines, I hope we can make lots of memories together with your family.
No, si Bunso, ano sabihin mo kay Tito Ronnie?
I wish we will see you in the Philippines again. Yay!
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Ronnie.
Happy 50th birthday, paring Ronnie. Well, congrats sa 50 years old na matanda ka pala sa akin. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Happy 50th, pare. Wish you all the best. Of course, good health and more success in your business, and hopefully may makauwi kami next year and magkita-kita tayo. Congratulations sa alagaan mo yung sarili mo at family. God bless you all and see you soon. Happy 50th birthday again, paring Ronnie. God bless you and we love you. Bye! See you!
Bye! See you later.
Kuya Romy, a happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you all the happiness in life. And of course, Kuya, I wish you the best of health. Stay safe always and God bless. Love you, Kuya.
Ito ang Strait of Hormuz. Ito Iran. Ito Amerika. Magulo sa area ngayon na to. Maraming malungkot. Pero dito, Japan. Madalas dito eh. Kilala ko. Pero, taga rito siya. Kilala ko yung pangalan nun, Romy. Happy birthday sa'yo, brother.
Yo, what's up, paring Ronnie? Short message lang. Happy birthday. At sana bigyan ka pa ng kalakasan ng katawan at para mas marami ka pang tao matulungan. Salamat sa pakikinig din. Pag may problema ako na pala. At saka mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy 50th birthday, pare. Nag-iisa ka. Peace out.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Ronnie!
On your special day, we want you to have a blast and very special happy 50th birthday. And whatever it is you're doing, just continue it. You're good at it. Just always remember to pray and thank God for all the blessings. And take care of your health and your family. So, yun lang. Happy 50th, brother.
Well, you're a golden boy already, 50 years, yes. But age is just a number. I know you're gonna have more adventures with your family, more travels with them, with us also maybe in the future again. We're looking forward for that. And you're an amazing husband to Jay, an amazing father to your children. Keep it up, brother. We're always here for you and for Jay also and for your family. We love you. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
Pre. Kalain mo pa ganun lang. 60th birthday mo na pala. Simula tayo, pagkakalapati lang hanggang napunta tayo magkumpare. Anyway, I'm very happy, pare, you found your footing. At alam mo naman yan, hindi ako nagkukulang ng pagsasabi sa'yo. Very proud ako sa lahat ng achievements mo. Again, happy birthday, pare. Enjoy your day. And kita tayo next time. Best regards.
50 years old ka na pala. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy golden years. More birthdays come and good health. God
isang maligayang bati para sa pare kong Pogi. So, I wish you nothing but the best. So, more travel, more tennis, and success. More success sa business mo. Dawson is greeting you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, pare ko. Enjoy your special day.
Hello po, Sir Ronnie. Kumusta? Namimiss ko na kayo dito sa Osamis. And happy 50th birthday mo. At sana matuloy yung order ko sa'yo na pinagawa. Yung Nissan Patrol gawing UTE. At kayo yung magdadala dito sa Osamis. Maraming salamat at once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Maraming salamat and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ronnie. Long time no see. Sa Facebook na lang kita nakikita. It's good that you're active in Facebook. But anyway, enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy your golden years. And I wish that you have good health, happy family, and more blessings. Happy birthday, pare.
Hi, paring Ronnie.
Hi, happy
50th
birthday. God bless and wishing you good health and enjoy mo lang ang life. Nakikita ko naman na nag-enjoy kayo palagi, nagta-travel, which is good. Spend more time with family, lalo na tumatanda na tayo. Laging alagaan ng sarili, alagaan ng pamilya, alagaan si Jay. At stay happy, hinay-hinay lang din sa trabaho. Kailangan alagaan talaga ang health kasi hindi na tayo bumabata, no?
Yan, paring Ronnie. Happy 50th birthday. So, yan, no? Bilis ng panahon. So, yan, golden na. So, hopefully na sana maging more successful in life. Importante ang good health natin. So, alagaan mo sarili mo. Si Ronnie, napakasipag na tao. Tigasin yan. Yan. Kaya spend more time with the family. At yun, hopefully makauwi kami next year. Kita-kita tayo. And sa mga bata, lagi nyo alagaan ng parents nyo, daddy and mommy J nyo. At makinig kayo lagi. At happy kami para sa iyo, paring Ronnie, sa success ng buhay nyo. At God bless and good health. Yun ang importante sa lahat. Ingat kayo lagi. Kita-kita-kits tayo.
Happy 50th birthday
again. Bye.
Hi, Ning. Happy birthday. Many more returns. May God bless you more. Enjoy your day.
Ronnie, pamangkin, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana humaba pa buhay mo. Bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. Lumakas ang katawan mo. Sa totoo lang, bilib ako sa'yo. Ang galing mo, pamangkin. Bilib ako sa'yo. Saludo ako sa'yo. Okay, happy birthday, ha?
Hi, Kuya Ron. Happy birthday sa'yo. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Roddy.
Ninong Ronnie,
Tito Ronnie. May you have good health.
good life and more blessing.
So you can be a blessing to others as well.
Enjoy po your special day.
Thank you for your generosity sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo dahil mabuti kang tao. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday from all of us here in Iloilo. We love you. Bye!
Happiest birthday, Tito Ronnie. more blessing, good health, and God bless po.
Happy birthday, Palplanggol!
Knock knock!
Who's there?
Honda!
Honda who?
Honda and Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Tito Robert! Enjoy your day and happy golden age. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope that the food tastes nice. Enjoy the day. Thank you so much for bringing us sa camp. I will enjoy this. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nino Ronnie. Thank you for being the best Nino I could ever ask for. I'm very thankful for God for giving you to us. Yee! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Solid! RGB!
Happy birthday, pare. Thank you for accepting me as a team. Alam ko naman na... Happy birthday! Love you!
Love you! Happy birthday!
Ako din. Mula sa...
Pre, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you a wonderful celebration with your loved ones, friends, and relatives. Wishing you good health, continued success, and lasting happiness. Thank you for your kindness and guidance. May our great Creator bless you with many more years to come. Enjoy your special day. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy! Sunod ako dyan, pre.
Happy birthday sa'yo, paring Ronnie. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. 50 ka na, bahala ka na sa buhay mo.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Ronnie. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord ng marami pang mga taon. Thank you sa mga advices mo sa akin.
Bro Ronnie, happy 50th birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na it's been a pleasure doing business with you for over 8 years. You are one of the trusted and reliable partners I have. So again, Romy from Safari Parts PH, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and may God be with you. Happy birthday.
Paring Ronnie, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana maging successful ka sa buhay mo at yung health mo, ingatan mo, alagaan mo, huwag pababayaan. Sana more birthdays to come at saka ingat ka palagi para magkasama-sama pa tayo ng matagal. Kami rin mag-iingat para sa iyo. Diba? Happy birthday, paring Ronnie. Ingat ka.
Hi Ronnie, happy 50th birthday. I'm so sorry that we cannot record this with my family due to conflict of schedule. But anyway, you are a truly blessing to us and your family as well. May God bless you and protect you all days of your lives. Hope to see you someday. Bye!
Pre, happy golden! 50 na. Kumusta na mga tuhod-tuhod natin ya, mga buto-buto? Di pa ba nanakit? Basta happy life lang. Ayos tayo dyan. Enjoy. Importante, syempre, para lalo tayong lumakas. Pero hindi pa naman halatang 50, pre. Parang 49 lang. Basta enjoy lang, pre. God bless. Love you, pare.
Happy birthday. 50 birthday mo na. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong na binigay mo sa akin. Hindi ko malilimutan. At sana marami ka pa rin matulungan ng ibang tao. Ingatan mo sarili mo at mahalin mo ang pamilya mo. Ingat ka palagi. Salamat.
Happy birthday sa Daddy ng Bayan, Ronnie Dero. Maraming salamat sa lahat. God bless us all.
Hi boss, happy birthday. More blessings RGD. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you.
Hello Ronnie, happy birthday! Isa ka na, medyo masama katawan ko eh. Mainit kasi rito. Happy birthday ah!
Happy 50th birthday.
Ilang taon na Ronnie?
50.
Ako, malapit ka lang mag-senior.
So, hello pinsan. Happy 50th birthday ha. Pasensya ka na tayo. Dami kaming ginagawa at busy. Buntik na lang makalimutan eh. Happy birthday.
Golden Boy, happy birthday! Bekenemin!
Alex, happy birthday
Alex.
dito.
Happy birthday po.
Pinsan, happy birthday ha. Enjoy
Happy
lang.
birthday!
Happy birthday. We love you.
Bossing, happy birthday! Wishing you wisdom and good health and more blessing. Otosan.
Hi. Hello, bossing. Happy birthday. Kanpai.
Yes, we miss you. Gambate, bossing. More blessing to come. Love you.
Knock knock. Who's there? Honda. Honda who? Honda randandan. Happy birthday to you. Dun dun. Happy birthday to you. Dun dun dun. Wait. Ano na yan eh? Gas-gas na nakanta yan. Gas-gas na nak-nak yan. Nagawa ng isang taong napakagaling na siya naman ngayon ang may birthday. Ronnie, happy birthday. God bless you. Wish ko palagi kang maging healthy, parati kang maging yung maaliwalas. Ano ba yun? Basta ganun na yun. Wish ko na lahat ng pinapangarap mo pa ay matupad. Basta't kailangan good health lang palagi. At meron akong isang ichichika. Sa totoo lang, mga kaibigan, inggit ako dyan sa pinsan kong si Jay. Dahil meron siyang napakamabait na asawa. Maalagain sa pamilya, provider. Lahat nasa kanya na napakabait na tao. Sobra. Alam natin lahat yan. Kahit walang magsasabing negative dyan. Kasi alam natin lahat kung ganong kabait, gaano ka mapagmahal na ama, mapagmahal na asawa, at mapagmahal na anak. At mapagmahal na kaibigan din. Happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your day. 50 ka na pala, preko. Konti na lang. Makakamit mo na ang 20%. Napakasarap pala ng may 20%. Okay? Bye-bye. I love you. Take care. Wishing you all the best. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Bye-bye. Mwah!
Happy birthday, anak! Kung hindi ako ina mo, ewan ko po.
So, happy birthday, Boss Ronnie. Ayun. Still can't believe it. 60 years old ka na. Hindi, joke lang. 50 lang. 50 lang yan. Ang message ko lang sa'yo is forever akong thankful na isa ka sa naging daddy ko. Ayun. And forever and ever, ikaw ang favorite daddy ko sa lahat ng daddy ko. Uy. Tagos. Lalim nun. But anyways, thankful ako to Mommy J and to you for being our second parents and for always having our backs, and especially you na suporta sa lahat ng katarantaduhan ko. Ayun. So, hindi ko na mapahabain. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is to stay spiritually protected as always and stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Ayun. Happy birthday again, Daddy Ronnie. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Ronnie. Another year ka na naman older. Pero okay lang yan. Lalo ka pumupogi. Mas lalo ka pumupogi. Sana lagi kang healthy and strong. Always. And ayun nga, thank you for always guiding us and for being the best Daddy Ronnie na pwede namin hingian. Hindi, joke lang. Kahit minsan makulit kami, love mo pa rin kami lahat. So, ayun, enjoy your day, kain ka madami, inom ka marami, and ayun nga, happy birthday ulit. We love you.
Hello po, Daddy Ronnie. Happy birthday. Hindi ako napabayin pa. Just wanna say thank you for everything. And ever since nung bata pa kami, nandyan ka na, nakagabay ka na, nakasuporta, nagmamahal. And for that, sobra akong grateful. Sobra akong na-appreciate lahat ng sacrifices na binigay mo sa amin. And sobrang swerte ko na din. Meron akong ikaw, meron akong Daddy Ron. Ayun, have a blast, and more life, and more travels, and stay happy. Thank you, Daddy Ronnie, sa lahat. Happy birthday, and love you.
Hi, Daddy Ronnie. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and kahit na nagbibinata na kayo, you still enjoy life to the fullest and you still stay true to yourself po. I've always appreciated how you love us, how you take care of us, and how you always look out for us po. And I am forever grateful to have you in my life as my Daddy Ronnie. So I hope you enjoy your day and you continue to enjoy life po. Happy birthday! I love you!
Birthday, Daddy Ronnie! Ano, Tara?
Happy birthday sa daddy ng lahat. I hope your celebration gives you many memories, many happy memories, especially ngayon na I know nasa adventure place na naman kayo. I just want to take also this opportunity to say thank you sa lahat ng support mo sa mga anak namin. And yun nga, you've been a father sa mga anak ko, sa anak ni Jaime. And I pray that God give you more blessings and good health. So, kung ikaw naging daddy sa mga anak namin, ako naman, ay, naiyak ako. You're a brother that I never had. So, enjoy your day, Ronnie. Bye-bye.
Pre, maligayang karawan sa aking itinuturing na isang tunay na kaibigan. Ang hangad ko sa iyo is maging masaya ka, mababa yung buhay mo, kasama mo yung mga katrabaho, mga tauhan mo, pamilya, tayo. Yun ang wish ko, pre, na sana bigyan ka pa ni Ama ng mahabang buhay, lahat ng pagpapala. Yun lang, pre. Mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita. Bilang kapatid, bilang kampare. Salamat, pre. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninong. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings. I love you po.
Hi po, Tito. Kamusta po? Happy 50th birthday po. Sana patuloy kayo na gabayan and pagpalain ni Lord in all that you do. Wishing you happiness, good health, and more blessings po. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday po. See you soon.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Ronnie. Sending you lots of love and warm wishes all the way from Guam. May this year bring you good health and many more great memories. 50 looks good on you.
Hi, Ninong Ronnie. Happy 50th birthday po. Nakakasya po kayo sa aking panalangin. And kayo, makalaro din po tayo ng pickleball. Ingat po palagi and sana good health. Bye-bye po. I love you, Ninong. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Thank you po sa support at gabay mo po sa amin. Wish ko po sa iyo ay good health, more blessings, and travels to come. Thank you po for being the best, Kuya. Palagi. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin, sa amin. Wishing you happiness, good health, and success po sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ronnie. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong na binigay mo sa amin, ng mga anak ko. Wish ko sa'yo maging good health. Nawa gabayan ka lagi ni Lord sa trabaho mo. At pagpalain ka pa ni Lord sa kabutihan mo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa pinakapogi kong Ninong Ronnie. 50th birthday mo na. You are the golden boy. I wish you good health, long life. Parehas kay ni Ninang Jay. Thank you so much kasi kahit na matanda na ako, hindi mo ko nakakalimutan bigyan ng pamasko. I appreciate you all po. And I wish na lagi po kayong gabayan ni Lord sa travels nyo and sa business and kayo pong buong pamilya. Lagi po sana kayong healthy at masaya. Yun lang po. And I miss you all. And
Happy birthday, Kuya
Ronnie. Wishing you more success, good health, and love. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ayun, Di. Hello. Magandang araw at maligayang kaarawan para sa iyo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ako'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa iyong pasensya, sa pagtitiis, sa sakripisyo, lalo na sa pag-iintindi mo sa akin. Alam kong nahirapan ka, lalo na sa pagpapalaki mo sa akin. Yun nga, alam kong madalas tayong hindi nagkakaintindihan, hindi tayo nagkakatagpo sa gusto man natin mangyari, hindi tayo nagkakausap kung sakasakaling may tampuhan tayo sa isa't isa. Pero gusto ko lang malaman mo na ikaw yung pinaka exceptional na tatay na nakilala ko dahil sinubukan mo lahat eh. Hindi ka nagdalawang isip, kumbaga ginanapan mo. Talagang sinubukan mo yung lahat para alam mo yun, mapunta sa mabuting kabuhayan itong pamilyang to. So yun nga, babalik lang ako. Alam kong madalas tayo magtampuhan, pero yun nga, gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal kita, na alam mo yun, kahit hindi ko man na nabigay sa'yo yung gusto mo, pero sana naiiyak ako, pero sana yun nga, sa ginagawa ko, sa pinapakita ko ngayon, sana yun, makita mo yung dating ikaw na naghahanap lang din ng paraan para mabuhay at makatulong sa mga mahal sa buhay. Yun lang di, tusin, hindi ko na, ayoko na talaga siyang patagalin, pero putang ina, may tugtog pa. Ayun, mahal na mahal kita, di. Kahit magkaiba tayo ng paniniwala, alam mo yan, mahal na mahal kita. Kaya enjoy mo yung araw mo to, daan mo yung journey mo. Hindi pa tapos itong 50th mo. Madami ka pang makikilala, madami ka pang magiging problema. Gusto ko lang din malaman mo na hindi ka nag-iisa, di. Kung ano man yan, tapikin mo lang ako. Bahala tayo. Yun lang. Love you.
Happy birthday, D.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Love you.
And more birthdays to come.
Yes, and I wish you good health and success.
More travels.
Japan.
Happy 50th birthday, babes. Appear tayo, 50 na. Sa lahat ng mga blessings na natanggap ko, ikaw ang pinaka-the best. Thank you sa pagmamahal, sa laging pag-iintindi, sa mga sakripisyo, sa lahat ng pagsisikap na ginagawa mo para sa akin, sa mga anak mo, at sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Hindi ko man laging nasasabi sa'yo, pero sobrang grateful ako na andyan ka palagi, magkasama tayo palagi, akan Joyce. And sobra mo kong napapasaya because lagi mo akong sinasama, lagi mo akong ini-include. And I feel na, alam mo yun, hindi ka napipilitan because I feel that you truly love being with me. And ako rin. And wala akong sawang sasabihin sa'yo na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita, na hanggat andito ako, I will be your protector. Hindi ako magsasawang mamahalin ka, hindi ako magsasawang susuportahan kita, hindi ako magsasawang pagdadasal ka para matupad lahat ng dreams mo, dahil sa bawat pangarap na natutupad, hindi lang yun para sa'yo eh. You always share, di ka madamot. Kaya mas pinipray ko na mas lalo ka pang i-bless ni God ng good health, more birthdays, more blessings, lahat ng pagpapala. Again, babes, happy birthday. I love you very, very much. And sobrang appreciate ko na ikaw yung asawa ko. Love you. And lagi mo akong pinapakilig.